I'm so excited. Today is National Chocolate Cake Day. Today we are making my Midnight Velvet Soul Cake. Now let's get cooking.
Hey, family. Welcome back to Wendy's Heaven Dishes. Today we're celebrating chocolate. Rich, deep, beautiful chocolate. It's National Chocolate Cake Day, so let's bake something special together. This one's called Wendy's Heaven and Midnight Velvet Soul Cake. Let's stir with love. Preheat that oven, 350 degrees. 2 9-inch pans, spray them nice and easy. Line the bottoms with parchment too. That's how we get clean layers, me and you. White whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups strong. Cocoa powder 3/4, sing a chocolate song. Baking powder 2, baking soda 1. Tiny pinch of salt if you want it done. Whisk it together, smooth and fine. Set it aside, we taking our time. Strong brew coffee, cool down slow. Almond milk pour, let it flow. Greek yogurt, creamy applesauce, 1/2 cup sweet. Olive oil, 1/4 cup, now feel that beat. 2 eggs, room temp, fall in line. Vanilla, 2 teaspoons, coconut sugar shine. 1/4 cup granulated sugar too. Whisk it smooth, you know what to do. Stir with love, take it slow. Midnight Velvet gonna steal the show. Healthy soul, chocolate control. Wendy's Heavenly Midnight Soul. Stir with love, feel that beat. From the bowl to the oven heat. Every step, every roll. This that midnight velvet soul. Dry in a wet in 2 times through. Whisk it gentle, don't overdo. Whole wheat flour likes tender care. That's how you keep it soft right there. Divide the batter pan to pan. Tap out bubbles, yes you can. Center rack, slide it in. 22 to 26, let it begin. Rotate halfway, let them rise. Touch the top, feel that bounce, surprise. Toothpick, test moist crumbs show. That's how you know it's ready to go. Stir with love, take your time. Midnight Velvet on your mind. Healthy soul, chocolate control. Wendy's Heavenly Midnight Soul. Let them cool, then flip them free. Peel that paper carefully. Dark chocolate, 4 ounces melt. Double boiler or microwave stealth. Let it cool till barely warm. Now we build that frosting form. Cocoa 1/4 cup, yogurt smooth. Maple syrup 1/3 cup brew. Vanilla 1.5 flow. Tiny pinch salt if you know. Pour that chocolate, stir it slow. If it's loose, chill it, let it grow. First layer down, frosting on top. Heaping cup, spread, don't stop. Second layer flip, side smooth. Frost the top, then sides and grooves. Rustic swoops or rosettes high. Make it yours, let your spirit fly. Chill 30 minutes, then let it rest. 15 at room temp brings out the best. Stir with love, look what you made. Midnight Velvet on display. Healthy heart, chocolate soul. Wendy's Heavenly Soul Control. Stir with love, slice it slow. Share that joy, let everybody know. From your hands to every home. This that Midnight Velvet Soul. You just bake something beautiful. Rich, balanced, full of care. Wendy's Heavenly Midnight Velvet Soul Cake. Happy National Chocolate Cake Day, family. Try it. Enjoy it. Share it. Bye, family.
I don't know about y'all, but I love me
Stay
some
sweet.
chocolate cake. Tell me about your
God bless
favorite
you.
cake story.